I'm testing out to see whether or not this TOPUTURE TP6 walking pad is one of the best walking pads that you can buy on Amazon. It is a foldable and adjustable incline walking pad that goes up to 7.5 miles per hour and has up to a 12% incline. I'm a huge fan of treadmills, so I'm super excited that I was sent this for this video because I want to see if this Amazon treadmill will replace the other one that I got from Amazon previously. This is what the treadmill looks like when you first get it. Let's go ahead and open it up. The treadmill does come with a few different accessories. Those are going to be your power cord, your user manual, of course, your remote along with a battery, which is always nice, an Allen wrench, a safety cord, a phone or tablet holder. Assembly is super easy. You're just going to take the iPad holder and just press it down into the top of the treadmill. Then we take the power cord and we plug it into the front of the treadmill. Just like so. Now we can power it up. And lastly, we take the safety cord and we install it right here. It's magnetic, super easy to use, and you can just put this out of the way when running. Talk about some of the features included because there are quite a few features built into this treadmill. First is the obvious one, going to be the iPad or the phone holder. You can simply take your phone or your iPad and just slip it into the holder here. It's going to keep that nice and secure. That's definitely not going anywhere. And we have some rubber bumpers on each side, keeping the corners protected. Next, and probably the most useful feature here, is going to be the ability to lengthen this handlebar. As you can see, it really does get long. So if you are a taller person, this is perfect because you can lift it up and have all the length you want out of that bar. Or you could always press it back down, and then whenever you find the perfect height, you can just lock it into place. Next, we have the LED buttons here at the top of the handlebar. We have two different speed buttons to either increase or decrease your speed. We have a mode button here, so you can see when I press it, it changes the different modes of the workouts. And then, of course, we have our stop and start workout button. At the bottom of the treadmill, we have in large LED numbers, which I really appreciate, your distance that you've gone, your calories burned, your current speed, which will increase or decrease with the buttons above, and lastly, how long you've been on the treadmill. We also get a little spot here for you to add some oil to keep the treadmill nice. And of course, we have the ability to make this an incline treadmill. The incline system is going to be a manual bar that goes all the way across the treadmill, and you're just going to lock it in place with this pin. It's pretty simple to use. Once you set it up, it's good to go, and you don't really have to adjust it once you find an incline that you like. There are going to be 3 levels of incline, and this is the highest of those levels at 12%. And there's even support knobs at the back and the middle of the treadmill that you can simply just unscrew, adding a little bit extra support when using that 12% incline. Beyond physical features, we can actually download and use the FitShow app with the treadmill, sync up our treadmill, and do treadmill workouts using the app. The app itself looks like this, and you're going to have quite a few different walks, trainings, runs to choose from. But to start off, we're going to go ahead and click on Quick Start here, and then connect to the treadmill. That will actually put us into landscape mode and give us all kind of data with our quick start walk. We have a lap, which is going to be 400 meters, so that's 1 lap around a track. You also have your current ranking on how fast you're going. We're currently 29 out of 30. Incline percentage, speed, calories, distance, and duration. You can also play music over here on the left. And we'll go ahead and do Redwood Forest. It will count us down on the treadmill. We'll click on Free Walk. There you have it. We are now walking through the Redwood Forest. So you could imagine having a bigger iPad or screen up here. This would be so nice to walk to just because of the scenery. You could focus on it and just enjoy a workout while being indoors but having a video of the outdoors. It's going to give you the same kind of stats as our last one. We're going to have place ranking, speed, duration, and you can choose from different music. Down here at the bottom is going to be what place you're in and how close you are to passing someone else on this walk. So if I turn the speed up on the treadmill, you can see that we're starting to get closer to passing that person in front of us. There are so many different scenic videos to choose from. You could do beaches, you could do cities here. like Shanghai or Japan, and we could go to forest or mountains if you want to walk in the mountains. But beyond that, we also have training videos here where you could do walking, running, a mixture of run and walk. It'll show you whether or not it's a beginner, how far you're gonna go. It'll show you whether or not it'll show you how hard it is. So this one's beginner, 25 minutes long, 1.22 miles. We do have some that are a paid subscription, and those will have the crown mark next to it. And we also have coach guide, workout music, and mapped routes. Beyond that, we have specific plans like start to run to lose weight, hill walking plan, 5K plan, 10K plan. Then you have all of your different challenges that you can compete in. And finally, you have your stats, how much you've actually gone in steps, how many calories burned, and how long you have been using your treadmill. There really is a lot to love about this app. I'm super excited to continue to use it, and I'm really glad that it can connect to the treadmill. I personally think that's one of the best features built into a treadmill like this. Now that we've gone through all of the different features, tested out the app, it's time to show you what the treadmill looks like while working out on it, how fast it will go, and how the incline feels. We'll go ahead and start off easily doing 1 mile per hour, and this is 1 mile per hour. Pretty slow, but I am seeing that I have plenty of room on this treadmill. Unlike some of the other ones I've tested, there's plenty of length here for my stride, and I'm hoping that'll stay that way once we start running. So let's go ahead now and bump this up to speed 2 miles per hour. So my stride is starting to get a little bit longer, but I am still super comfortable here. I can easily grab the handlebar, and I don't feel like I'm too cramped on this treadmill. Let's now bump it up to 3 miles per hour. This is going to be a fast walking pace, and I'm still feeling super comfortable on this treadmill. That's a great sign for me. We'll now go up to 4 miles per hour, which will be a slow jog. I'm feeling slightly cramped, but not really. I think I can keep this pace and not feel like I'm gonna fall off of the treadmill, which is really good. Now we'll go to 5 miles per hour. This is more of a solid jog, and it feels pretty good. I'm 6 feet tall. My feet are slightly going off the treadmill, but I could still keep this pace. Now we're going up to 6 miles per hour, and this is a solid run, and it actually feels really good. And this is 7.5 miles per hour, the fastest that the treadmill can go. I was very impressed with the different speed levels of the TOPUTURE TP6. Being able to go up to 7.5 miles per hour was a pretty fast run for me, so I could really get a good workout with this treadmill. The added incline resistance, as well as the ability to connect it to an app and use that app to do workouts, really does make this a standout in my opinion. If you're in the market for a new treadmill or a walking pad that's foldable, you can put it out of the way, has incline, and can connect wirelessly to apps so that you can do workouts, I highly recommend the TOPUTURE TP6. In my opinion, it's a solid choice. If you're interested in checking out this treadmill by TOPUTURE, I'll go ahead and leave an affiliate link down below this video inside of the description. Also, feel free to use the discount code listed below. Thank you so much for watching this video review, and I hope that it helped.